Imagine you are strolling across an emerald valley, shrouded by the morning mist. Then you are met with two diverging trails, labeled and trodden. Another, unprecedented and mysterious. Which one will you take? Well, I know it's a difficult choice. So, to better help you, I've come up with the analysis of the poem, The Road Not Taken, by Robert Frost. Using medium elements such as structure, rhymes, imagery, diction, and the contextual background. Now, let's first dive into the specific text. Nature and life choices are the major themes in this poem, which all elements are tailored towards. The poem consists of four stanzas, employing a rhyme scheme of A B A A B throughout. The structure combined with a iambic tetrameter, four stressed syllables on all lines, two roads diverged in a yellow wood. This creates a rhythmic and reflective pace, which compares with the contemplative mindset during a meandering hike. The enjambment throughout the lines suggests the continuity of life's journey and the interconnectedness of all decisions. In the poem, medium elements such as imagery, metaphor, and symbol are employed throughout the work. Words such as diverged, look down one, grassy, yellow wood to connect the motif of nature with our life choices. It also shrouds the poem with a hint of unknown and adventure, like a thick fog within the deep valley. Going to the context, the theme of purification is also present, having both elements of gravitas and lightheartedness. To begin, a major inspiration of the poem is Frost's personal life, which is marked by many ups and downs, such as dropping out of Dartmouth and Harvard due to academic issues. The two of his six children died. Sustained very low traction early on in his career, while incessantly moving to different countries. He only rose to fame after the publication of The Boy's Will in London. Thus, Frost's life and the poem both reflects a sense of uncertainty and choice, shown through this line, then took the other, just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim, insinuating that he is pondering the path he took in hindsight. The poem also emerges against the backdrop of the bloody World War I. The two roads diverging in yellow wood is a metaphor for the entire humanity, standing on the crossroad between life and extinction. Now we can go on to the light side. Although the poem is often linked with individualism, consequences, and risk taking, there's a caveat to all of this. Surprisingly, the poem is actually an inside joke to tease his friend Edward Thomas for his indecisiveness. The two would often take walks in the countryside, and Thomas would frequently regret not having taken a different path. The poem targets habits of overthinking through the words sign, and the first person narrative with internal dialogues, such as sorry I cannot travel both, having perhaps a better claim, I doubt if I should ever come back, mimicking Thomas' internal convoluted dialogue while making difficult choices. But from a macro perspective, Frost also addresses the humanity's propensity for indecision, overly regretting the chances that we have not taken. To wrap things up, the poem's structure form, with its rhythmic cadence and symbolic imagery, serve as a medium through which Frost communicates the universality of choice, individualism, regret, and reflection. The contextual background grounds the poem to remind all of us that although our decisions are shaped by the world around us and the personal choices we undertake, we should always walk the path with resolve and conviction. After all, life is only a 4,000 week free trial period in our universe. So, which path will you take? Thank you.